Struggling to find reliable PCB services for your projects? Wouldn't it be ideal to have a provider that delivers high-quality, cost-effective PCB solutions for any scale of project? Introducing PCBWay, a comprehensive service for PCB prototypes and small runs. PCBWay offers advanced, low-cost PCBs with up to 14 layers. How it works. With PCBWay, you access quick turnaround, high-precision manufacturing, and flexible ordering options. PCBWay tailors solutions for any project size, delivering quality with competitive pricing and support. Way's services streamline production, ensuring efficiency and reliability in every order. Experience seamless communication and updates. Plus, enjoy fast shipping to keep your projects on schedule. Affordable pricing for PCB services. Cost-effective solutions for clients. Access to high-quality PCB manufacturing without breaking the bank. Sounds interesting? Choose PCBWay.